model CM578 PN00541. Probably this is an old model. Model CM578 PN00541. Maybe they changed it, I don't know. UGREEN. Okay, let's see. I like this thing. No tool needed to open it. Can you really see it? It shows more or less. Unopened and opened. Oh, cables. No, here. Okay, cables. Let's see. Nice thick USB-C cable, just like the Samsung T7 Shield. Not very flexible though. Not very flexible, this one. This is the Samsung T7 Shield cable. And it's really flexible. This one, not very. Okay. Okay, also USB-A to USB-C. I like that. I needed that. UGREEN branding there. This cable is a bit stiff. Okay, but it's thick, so it's really high speed data cables right here. And this is the cover or something. Oh, silicone. These are the thermal pads. Here you get the thermal pads for mounting the SSD, the NVMe inside. Try not to lose this. I will try not to lose this. The thermal pad has a plastic cover, but it's sticky once you remove it. You should remove this plastic cover when installation. Okay, it goes back in the pad. We'll do this later. And this is the key to lock the NVMe drive. It's very easy to lose this thing. It smells like silicone, kind of. It smells a bit strange, this one. A bit weird, like plastic, but also a bit strange, like silicone. Like burnt rubber. This is the smell. It smells like burnt rubber. This is for shock protection, I guess. Designed by UGREEN. It's also good to keep it. It doesn't have a grip. Get it grippy on the table. Okay. That's all in the box. Up to 10 gigabits. Up to 10 gigabits per second. Could be faster, but it could also be slower. Aluminium enclosure. Okay. Oh, this feels a bit plasticky. It felt good, nice heavy weight, but a bit plasticky, but still feels good. I think it's plastic, this thing, the cover. There's the markings on it. M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure, CM578, part number 90541. It's 90541. So the model number CM578, part number 90541. Input 5 volts, 3 amps maximum. Made in China. And there's the push button. And here you get the push button on one side, USB-C interface. Nice click. Comes out not too hard. Okay. Then there is this silicone cover. I don't know what to do with it. Okay. Maybe later. I like it like this. Smooth. Let's try open it. Oh. There is a locking feature here. It's all plastic, but the case, this is metal, so the thermal pad will make contact with the aluminium case for cooling. And this is all plastic here, and I think it's too big. It shouldn't be smaller, and it could be smaller, but okay. There is already one here that was extra in the bag with the thermal pad, and then it's the M.2 key. SSD goes in there. Multiple sizes here, so that's pretty nice. Let's put it upside down. I did. Let's see what happens if I put it. Oh no. It's okay. So if I put it the other way around, it won't lock. Is it? Yeah. Okay. This is a bit difficult to get on, but okay, no, not so bad. This is the shock protection, I think. Oops. It's optional, I guess. Okay. So it's ready for our SSD. This shock protection doesn't need to be removed. I can install the SSD and plug it in. can plug it to the computer easily. USB 3.2 interface for 10 gigabytes. USB 3.2 interface for 10 gigabits connection for the fast SSDs. I have to arrange it a little bit further. Okay. I'll try it, see how it goes. Thanks for watching.